Hello everybody, it's the Vintage Reviewer back with another video, and Merry Christmas. It's the Christmas episode. Woo! Yeah, no, nothing really too fancy. You looked at the thumbnail, you know what you're here for, you know what you're getting. If you're not here when this video comes out, you're just coming by, thank you. This is a Christmas episode. I thought it'd be nice. We have Alf here. We won't get too much in Alf. But I want to come out. No, Alf, you can't. But I want to come out. It's been a while. Alf, I know it's been no, I'm coming. Hello. You're probably here and you're probably wondering, where has Alf been? I've been doing stuff. I got my own Barbie dream house now. No, you don't. They don't know that. I bet they can assume you probably don't. But they don't know. They also don't know that you actually have the Barbie Ferrari, and I'm dressed like Magnum PI for a reason. Get out of here. Fine. I will be back. Alf has to make a brief appearance. Sometimes. Channel mascot. Alf Puppet. Wonderful guy. But you know why we're here. Sorry it's taken a minute. You know why we're here. We are here to review a vintage tin wind-up robot for Christmas. There's his legs. There's his feet. It's got wheels on them. That's all you really need to see. This is not a real vintage item. This is a reproduction for nostalgic purposes. Just want to make that clear. This was not a vintage item. This is a recreation of, I think, concept art of something. I acquired it somewhere. I can't exactly remember where right now. Didn't even have a winder key. You had to find one of those from like an old Chatterteeth I had. There's the top of his head. But it is a tin wind-up robots reconstruction thing. Honorary thing. We don't really know exactly what it is. All we know is it's not vintage. It's made to look like vintage, but it is still expensive. I'm not going to go into how expensive it is, but you can take a screenshot of that right there. Go ahead, take a screenshot. And then look up this with the images on your phone. You'll see how expensive that is. I paid like nothing for it. Didn't get it as a gift, paid nothing for it. Doesn't matter. I'm rambling. It was going to be a short video. It's a robot. And you come over here. You wind it up. And you watch him go. He doesn't go very far. He's just on wheels. But yeah, that's it. He's just a little tin robot. I mean, he can roll forwards. His feet are designed so that they don't roll backwards. Just wind it up. So yeah, little vintage looking, antique looking tin robot toy. Not actually vintage, but Merry Christmas. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you on the flip side.